Hey, it's Marco, and I'm going to show you how you can fix I can't follow people on iPhone. So what you want to do is once you open up your TikTok, you'll potentially see that you can do anything or follow anybody on the app. So there are a few reasons for that. So if you like, comment, share and bookmark every literally single video, TikTok might find that a bit suspicious and they might ban you because it's like a bot activity. Now nobody does that. And the second way, if you can't follow somebody, so I don't know, this person for example, that could mean because they have blocked you, and if they have blocked you, you won't be able to follow them because that person doesn't want you to see their content. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.